I gave myself 24 hours to build a brand new Shopify dropshipping store and try to make $1,000. I'm gonna have to find a product, build the Shopify store, launch the ads, and try to make $1,000 in sales just to prove that a brand new Shopify dropshipping store can actually make money in 24 hours. So let's get started. So first things first, I need to find a product. And for this challenge, I think I'm gonna focus on the baby niche because millions of babies are born every single day. And you're not just selling to the new parents, you're selling to grandparents, baby shower gifts, which means a lot of potential customers. And we need that if we only have 24 hours. So I took my product research prompt here, put it into ChatGPT and said only focus on the baby space. And as you can see, it gave me 35 different problems with product angles. So the first one is saying is flat head syndrome. People have fear of permanent skull deformity. There's another one that babies won't sleep throughout the night. So now I'm gonna take all of these different problems one by one, put them into the Facebook ad library like flat head syndrome, just to see if anybody is out there running ads. And now you can see all of the different brands running Facebook and Instagram ads for products that solve that problem. And what I'm seeing is actually a popular product for this is this pillow right here. And what caught my attention was that it solves a clear problem. It reduces the risk of SIDS, flat head syndrome, reflux, and colic. And it's already being advertised by a couple brands, which is great. So I know that inside of AutoDS, the supplier that I use, I can get this for around $30, and this competitor sells it for $79.99. So that leaves us with something like $40 to $50 in profit. And as soon as we get a sale, everything runs automatically. AutoDS on the back end is gonna pick, pack, and ship our orders so we don't have to do anything manually. The next step is building our Shopify store. And this is usually the part that takes the longest. But since I only have 24 hours, I'm not gonna be building this store from scratch. I'm actually gonna be using an AI store builder called Atlas. And this is actually what I use on a lot of my own stores and even for my one-on-one clients, some of which have gone on to do thousands per day. Just like this store that is using Atlas and has done over $100,000 in revenue, and just cart upsells has done an extra $3,000 since we turned those on. So before I can even install Atlas, I need to sign up for Shopify. So if you don't already have a Shopify store, I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys that's gonna get you Shopify for $1 a month. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly sign up. So I went ahead and created my Shopify account. I installed the Atlas AI store builder. And now all we have to do is give Atlas a link to our product. And it can be from anywhere: Alibaba, Etsy, AliExpress, any other website, and it's gonna build the entire store for you. So in my case, I went to Amazon, found my exact product, and now I'm just gonna paste that link in there and click proceed. And now all we have to do is wait a couple minutes and the AI is gonna build the entire store for us. So we're gonna let the AI do its thing. It'll take a couple minutes. Then I'm gonna go in, add some text, maybe some product images, and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, so the store is done. And as you can see here, thanks to Atlas, it saved us a bunch of time. This only took me a couple minutes and I went ahead and changed some colors, made the product images, and made my logo Sleepy Cubs. I thought that'd be a really nice brand name for this store. And then the colors, I went with purple just to make it feel calm, neutral, just a really nice color for this brand. And as you can see here, just to show you the sections, it has really nice sections, a lot of social proof, everything that we need that's gonna turn a visitor into a paying customer. The comparison table, I added reviews here that's gonna show that other people have purchased from our store, frequently asked questions, and other benefits here. So Atlas did all of the heavy lifting. And just to show you guys one of my favorite parts, when you click add to cart, the cart upsells are built in using Atlas. So no other app is needed here. And you can see here that I added a white noise machine, which is perfect. It goes hand in hand with this baby bed. So that alone is gonna make you guys more money per customer. So now that the store is ready, let's go ahead and launch some ads and see if this baby bed can actually make some money. And for this challenge, I originally gave myself a $200 budget to find the product, build the store, launch the ads, and get as many sales as I could within 24 hours. But the crazy part is I've only spent $1. So Shopify was $0. We're still on the trial. AutoDS cost us $1. So realistically, in the last hour, I just built an entire online business for $1. So that leaves me with $199 to spend on ads. And I would normally test on multiple platforms, but I'm taking a gamble with just picking one. And I thought I'd go with Facebook and Instagram because of my target audience. I truly thought that new parents and grandparents would be on Facebook. So just to show you guys the setup, you can see here I have one campaign. I named it Baby Bed. I set it as a campaign budget at $199. It's going to run for 1 day. And to show you the ad set, I named it broad targeting. I have my pixel in here. My conversion event is purchase. I'm scrolling further down to show you the start date. Right now it's 1 in the morning. So if I look tired, that's why. But I usually start these at midnight, but because it's so late, I'm just gonna start it right away. And I'm targeting the United States, and I put in here 10 different videos. So how I got these videos is they're actually TikToks. I just went to TikTok, saved a bunch of videos, but it's only because we're on a time crunch. Normally, I would order the product and try to make the videos myself, or use AI, or ship the products to creators and have them make videos. But because we're on a time crunch, I just saved all of the most popular TikTok videos, and I'm just gonna launch them as ads. It's not something I would recommend. So just to show you an example of one, this is it right here. So I used ChatGPT for the primary text. It came up with all of this, and these videos, like I told you guys, are from TikTok. So just to show you one,
this little incline pillow saved us those first few months.
I'm gonna publish these ads, go to bed, and I'll check in with you guys after they've ran for a full day. So it's the next day. It's been about 24 hours since I started this challenge. So let's dive into Shopify and let me show you guys the results. As you can see, we got 6 orders and that totaled $490 in sales. You can see everything here. We did $450 in sales for the bed. We did sell the upsell in the cart, and we did also have 2 people take the shipping protection to protect their order during shipping. So everything looks good. All of our sales obviously came from Facebook. You can see here 490 from Facebook. And we also had an abandoned checkout, as you guys can see here. So this would have resulted in another sale. And if you look at it further, I'll make sure to blur her information. You'll be able to see that she tried to pay twice, but her card was declined twice. So that could have resulted in another sale and put us over the $500 in sales mark on day 1. And just to show you guys how much we spent in the ads manager, it actually went over my $199 budget, and it spent $225. And the metrics here honestly don't look bad for day 1, especially because these are just TikTok videos. This one and this one here, these both have cost per clicks in the dollar range. And if you look at the click-through rate, it's over 4%, which tells me these are pretty engaging ads. And throughout the challenge, you can see that I did turn off some of these creatives that had a really high cost per click, or the CPM was ridiculous. But revenue isn't everything. Let's actually go break down the numbers and let me show you guys how much we ended in profit. We did 490 in sales, 225 on ads on day 1. And our product cost, the beds cost us $210. The owl was only $8. And in total, it ends up being $218 with shipping included. So our total in profit in this 24-hour challenge is $47. So the fact that this store was profitable even slightly is a really good sign, because I actually left a lot of money on the table. As you guys saw, my competitor was selling this for $79.99 and I listed mine at $64.99. I also didn't test bundling. I didn't put any other products in the cart aside from the white noise machine. I didn't put in any post-purchase upsells, which I always do on all of my stores. And I didn't put any effort in abandoned cart recovery. If I would have just set up an email or a text message system and texted that customer back, she could have came back and purchased. And now obviously I didn't hit my goal of $1,000 in sales in 24 hours. I actually got about halfway there, but that's not really the point. The point is that this is a brand new store. I built it in minutes using Atlas. I launched TikTok videos as Facebook ads, and it's already getting some sales, and some of these videos are actually showing some pretty good metrics. With these results, this is a store that I would build up, make improvements to, and scale. So if you want to see me do a 7-day or a 30-day dropshipping challenge, just like this video and let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to learn how to build, launch, and get sales with your own dropshipping store, I have a completely free dropshipping course called Dropship in 21 Days. It's linked down below. Thank you guys for watching.